CYN has launched its dealer portal, a new online resource hub designed to support its growing dealer network. This platform provides easy access to a wide range of essential materials, including sales materials, detailed pricing information, and co-marketing resources, allowing dealers to confidently present CYN's autonomous solutions to customers. According to Lior Tal, CYN CEO, this launch is a significant step in accelerating the adoption of their technology across various sectors, especially after several Motrec dealers began selling drive mod tuggers in North and Central America. The dealer portal streamlines the sales process by offering up-to-date product information, pricing models, and marketing initiatives. It also includes training materials and technical documentation, equipping dealers to engage new customers and explore opportunities in industrial autonomy effectively. This development builds on the momentum of CYN's dealer network, which includes partnerships with prominent dealers and service providers in the industrial vehicle sector. CYN's partnerships are crucial for expanding its reach and enabling companies to implement autonomous vehicle solutions efficiently. The company encourages potential dealers to join its network and leverage the resources available through the dealer portal. Interested parties can visit CYN's website to learn more about joining the dealer network and accessing the portal. CYN's drive mod technology empowers customers to integrate self-driving capabilities into their operations without high upfront costs or infrastructure installations. Currently available on Motrec MT, 160 tuggers, and BYD forklifts, drive mod is designed to bring significant efficiencies and returns on investment. This comes after receiving a notice of allowance for their 23rd U.S. patent, which is a huge milestone for their AI-powered autonomous vehicle technologies. This new patent introduces a modular sensor system designed to work seamlessly with existing industrial machines, requiring minimal to no modifications. The system's adjustability is its standout feature, allowing it to be used with different industrial machines that have varying geometries and operation constraints. CEO Lior Tal expressed his excitement, stating that this expanding patent portfolio solidifies CYN's position as a technology leader in the autonomous vehicle industry. With 16 patents granted in 2023 and 2 in 2024, CYN has built a strong technical foundation in key areas like perception, navigation, and mapping. The modular sensor system is a significant development for CYN's drive mod solution, which empowers customers to integrate self-driving technology into their operations without high upfront costs or infrastructure installations. This latest patent approval builds on recent momentum, following the granting of CYN's 22nd patent in April and its 21st patent in October. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.